say thanks, G, for setting this up. Guys, I know that a lot of you have been wondering what I'm up to, and today I've chosen the TST event to announce this new venture that I'm launching. It will go into production in the second quarter of this year, which is just around the corner. And this is the Diagnostic Network platform. And what it's designed to do is designed to focus on the diagnostic and bring a higher level of visibility and connectivity with service providers, tool and equipment providers, training providers that serve up the needs and wants of the higher level diagnostician. Secondarily, we want to also influence others in the industry to learn what they need to know to get to the level where they're an effective diagnostician. As a lot of you guys know, you're in a session there learning and expanding your knowledge on a Saturday. You are a very small part of the, you guys are the ones that get it. And really the shop flow today is really highly dependent on the diagnostician. And tomorrow it's going to be even more. So we hope to move the industry in a forward position and adapt to this new era of education and knowledge expansion. And today we've already got a number of corporate partners that have come on to join us. And so those vendors that are in the room there, please shake their hand, tell them thank you, because you know they've listened to our story, our promotion, and they believe in what we want to do, and they want to help support us. Each of these companies have pledged to bring on their subject matter experts so that they are available to network and integrate, answer questions, whether it's about their tools and equipment or if it's about technical issues or any other issues within the industry. Today, we've rolled out a page, and if you're interested in joining as a founding member, you can go to our website. It's diag.net. On that page, you'll have an opportunity to either join as a founding member. Through this founding membership, we will give you lifetime recognition as a founding member, so your identity, persona, tag as such, and you'll be able to join at a discount, and you'll be able to lock in that discount for a lifetime. That's 17% off of the regular price. If you elect not to join and not today, you have the option to just click on the Notify Me button, and it will keep you as approach launch date. So, anyways, I really appreciate you offering the attention. I guess you have no choice because you're sitting there, and I've got you as a captive audience. But again, I want to thank the TST guys. This is a first announcement publicly, so you guys are the first ones to get this public announcement. So thank you for all of you guys too, and really let's give G and the TST folks a big round of applause for helping support us and supporting the industry as they do through training and knowledge growth. So G, take it from here.
Well, thank you, Scott. And we have just a little video because Scott being all the way on the West Coast, why don't we just play this little video, just takes a few minutes. Give you a little better idea of what it is.
Hello everyone, Scott Brown here, and I'm excited to tell you about a brand new service that I'm launching called Diagnostic Network. This network will be launching in the second quarter of 2018, and I hope that you will see it in you to join in my effort. So about Diagnostic Network, we're focusing on the top level diagnostician. These are the guys that face the toughest issues and ask the hardest questions. These guys are the ones that enable a shop to actually survive and operate competently. But we need to get the rest of the industry to pay attention. And this is why I want to bring in other industry partners so that they can open up a channel of dialogue between the diagnosticians and understand their needs and wants. So we're looking for tool companies to come on board, bring their subject matter experts. We're looking for other industry partners, including the education partners, to also bring in their subject matter experts to engage and interact with us. You know, if we get industry involved, they will have a deeper understanding of what our needs and wants are. They'll be able to develop the training curriculum that we need. We also want to aspire others to move to this next level. So other service industry professionals that want to understand more about what these top-level diagnosticians are faced with, how they got to where they're at, and some of the cases that they're faced with every day. So this platform will enable you to share that rich content and help to educate others for the betterment of our industry. So I already have a host of companies that have come on board to help support us in this early effort. And today, we're launching a page so that you can come in and sign up and support us as a founding member. If you join as a founding member, not only am I going to give you some lifetime recognition, but you'll get some goodies along the way. So I really hope that you can come on board and help us. For those that don't want to sign up today, you can elect to be notified, and we'll get you updated as we progress. But we really hope to see you on the other side to help join in this effort. And I want to thank G here at the TST event for helping us launch this. I really appreciate all of his effort and everything that he does. So please, let's everybody give him a big round of applause.
Don't have to.
So I want to apologize to you guys for not being out there this year. I was there last year and delivering the keynote speech, and I know that this year we've got Chris Chesney on deck here to deliver a great message as well, and I hope he knocks it out of the park. But I'm here. We chose TST to launch and announce this new venture because TST is a big partner in our effort. And we want to thank G. Trulia there for pushing the message forward and enabling us to springboard this announcement. We hope that you too will help us spread the word and get others like you on board. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everything you guys do, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you.
All right, so some great words there.